Hi Lupa, welcome to Cine Speaks.
Hi, thank you so much.
So tell me Lupa, how was your experience after Bigg Boss to join this Khatron Ke Khiladi? So what kind of preparation you have done, because it's not a mental game. I mean it is, but it's something.
I think it's more of a mental game.
Yeah.
Okay? And when you're scared, it's because of your mental awareness that the consequences are so and so, and that's when you feel scared of something. So I think it's more of a mental and physical.
Yeah.
So less physical, more mental game.
So as you said, you have you scared with water, right?
Yeah.
So what kind of preparation you have done? If suppose you will get a first chance to get faced with the water.
Yeah. So I'm learning swimming. I have learned it after a long time, because in the past I've drowned in water. So it created a phobia as a child. So I've always been scared of it. And finally now I'm getting rid of it gradually. Now I'm learning swimming. I can swim. So I know that if somebody throws me in water, I can still manage to save my life. So yeah, and it's every time you're scared of something or you have fear, it's because of some bad memories, some scary memories, and that's the reason why you always are scared of that thing. So I think somewhere at some point you have to get rid of it.
And whom you find a more tough as a competitor?
See, it's not the right time to say who's the toughest, because when we perform the task, I think that's the time when we will know who actually is a strong contestant, who can really perform well. Everybody has different strengths. Everybody will perform differently in different tasks, because every time somebody has to be a good swimmer in some tasks. Somebody has to be good at I don't know what. It's so unpredictable. So everybody will excel in some or the other task, and I think all are great, and they all are really fearless people, and that's the reason why they've signed Khatron Ke Khiladi.
So okay, how was your reaction? I mean, your family's reaction when they have come to know probably that
okay,
you are
my
going
mother wasn't really happy about it. She's like, please don't go. What are you doing? Why do you want to do this? And you know how moms are, so she's really scared and she doesn't want me to do it. But she's okay. She'll be fine, because she knows I'm her daughter. So, and also my father was really happy. He said go for it, because I wasn't really aware. I wasn't really ready for it. But my father said go for it. Why not? There's so much you learn, and there's so much you'll have fun. Just go for it. So my father's like that cool dad. So I'm really happy to have him, and my mom's really really sweet too. But mothers are like that, so can't help.
I know. Yeah. And like Manveer is also here. You were both there in Bigg Boss. So I mean, what kind of now, because we remember that time you both were having distance about with some reason with Bigg Boss, I believe. Or now
no, we did get along quite a lot during the show. When you're together, sometimes you agree or sometimes you disagree to someone. I think that's okay, that's part and parcel. But being in the same show is kind of I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be fun.
Okay, after this show, I mean, if suppose, I'm sure you are getting other offers as well. So if you are getting a movie offers, will you be interested to go ahead with that?
Movies are something I want to do, and I want to do a great movie where a lot of action is involved, when the character is really strong. So if something like that comes to me, I'll happily accept.
Okay, and last question, now Mother Day is coming, in next weekend. So what kind of message you would like to give to your mom and the other moms of
I'd like to sing a song for her. I'll say there's a very beautiful song made of moms, तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ,
Thank you so much. You sound really beautiful.
Thank you.
And wish you good luck from my side and from the Cine Speaks. And we hope you will, this time when we meet you next time, you will be having a trophy with you.
I hope so, inshallah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.